Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating a 662 card dialer with a Rota Tone installed. So I wanted this unit to be able to work perfectly on new phone lines, meaning it had to be converted for tone use. And since this one is a multi-line unit, I wanted just a Rota Tone installed directly inside of this unit and not have to put one on each and every line. So the Rota Tone unit has two power leads which need to be connected directly onto your tip and ring. And usually you would connect it after the hook switch so that when you lift the handset it gets power and it protects it from ring voltage, as it will fry your unit if it's connected and there's ring voltage on the line. And basically there's also a full bridge rectifier that they include, which just gets connected basically in between. So this has the power lead from the hook switch, which is a white wire, and the green wire is connected to ring. And then the tip from the key set is here. So you can see more of that in their schematics as well, and if you have any questions on that, just let me know. But then I wanted it to be able to work with a speakerphone. So for the speakerphone, you have the violet brown, brown violet as P3 and P4, and those can provide a tip and a ring from the speakerphone when it's activated, so it can power a tone dial. So for a tone dial to work with a speakerphone and have on-hook dialing, it needs to be connected to basically either tip or ring, whichever one is separated within the hook switch. So for me, it was the brown violet lead, and that gets connected onto the C terminal, which is the output from the hook switch. Then for the speakerphone, the tip I connected through the full bridge rectifier. So the full bridge rectifier right here gets tip power from the key set, goes in, and then comes out on this green wire. And this red wire is going to the Rota Tone to provide power. And then I had a 150 ohm resistor wired in between this green wire and the power wire for the Rota Tone to the tip voltage of the speakerphone. And that's to provide a bit of a load and power for the Rota Tone, because I was noticing if I connected the tip power for the speakerphone directly onto here or onto the main tip output from the key set, the Rota Tone kept malfunctioning and was not working properly. Then, as far as getting the dials working, is pretty simple. You won't need the yellow leads, because these were normally speakerphone compatible, so the dials have an extra set of connecting contacts to short the P3, P4 contacts on the speakerphone. So those you can just tie off if you want, and you will have to disconnect and rewire things for the speakerphone if you're going to be using a Rota Tone anyway. And then the white set gets connected onto, let's see, I can't exactly remember. I wired the Rota Tone a while ago. The two white wires are white and brown. And then the white wire going to the Rota Tone is a common contact. And then there's an output for the pulse contact, which is where did it go? I believe it's orange. So the orange wire seems to disappear somewhere in here. Yeah, it's orange. So basically, if you want to be able to use the regular dial as well as the automatic dial, you'll need to wire these contacts that blip when it is dialing in series with each other. So you'll need one wire. Basically what I did is I did one wire going from the Rota Tone to the back of this, which is the black wire. So basically these two contacts here are the counting contacts for the automatic dialer. And then green goes back over here, and then the other green wire goes to this dial, and then the blue goes back and connects onto the white, which is the common, like I said. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions or comments about how I wired this unit, just let me know. I'm going to now demonstrate this unit calling my first line from line 3. So I currently have the speakerphone activated. If I lift the handset and disconnect, it deactivates the speakerphone. I can reactivate the speakerphone here. You can hear dial tone. If I insert in a card, so now you can see line 1 is blinking, incoming call. Put this line on hold, go ahead and answer. If I hang up, it'll release this line. So hopefully that video helps some people who are potentially trying to get one of these units working with modern lines. If you have any questions, like I say, just let me know. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos.